Let's walk through an Idaho traffic stop, not from the polite, cooperative fantasy version, but from the legal reality. Because in Idaho, just like everywhere else, your words will be used against you, not to help you, but to justify citations, searches, and sometimes arrests. Tonight, we're breaking down exactly what you must provide, what you don't, and how police legally extend traffic stops, if you let them. In Idaho, during a lawful traffic stop, you are required to provide 3 things only: driver's license, vehicle registration, proof of insurance, that's it. You are not required to explain where you're going, where you're coming from, or what you're doing tonight. Polite silence is legal. Talking is optional, and usually harmful. Yes, in Idaho, if an officer orders you out of the vehicle, you must comply. This does not mean you're under arrest. It means the courts allow officers to control the scene for officer safety. But compliance does not mean consent. Before stepping out, roll up the windows, turn off the engine, lock the vehicle. Why? Because once you're out, claims of "I smell marijuana" magically appear, and unlocked cars become searchable for safety. Locking your vehicle removes opportunity, not rights. Yes, if they tell you where to stand or sit, comply physically. You are not resisting by standing where instructed. But again, compliance is not consent. One of the most important questions you can ask: am I being detained, or am I free to go? Why this matters: if you're free to go, the stop must end. If you're detained, the officer must justify it, and that justification is called R.A.S. R.A.S. means reasonable articulable suspicion. Here's the critical part most people miss. A traffic violation is R.A.S. for the stop. It is not R.A.S. to prolong the stop. Once the purpose of the stop is complete, ticket or warning, the detention must end unless new R.A.S. exists. Fishing questions do not create R.A.S. Nervousness does not create R.A.S. Silence does not create R.A.S. Talking. However, often does. Courts have repeatedly upheld this conservative interpretation of stops. In Rodriguez versus United States, the Supreme Court ruled police cannot extend a traffic stop to investigate unrelated crimes without new R.A.S. Idaho courts follow this standard, meaning prolonged stops without justification violate the Fourth Amendment. Remember, police are not there to protect your rights. You are. They enforce laws, write citations, and generate revenue. The less you say, the safer you are legally. If you want deeper breakdowns of real police encounters, check out channels like Lackluster, Audit the Audit, Long Island Audit, and The Civil Rights Attorney, some of the best analysis on the platform. And before you go, like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future state-by-state breakdowns.